So let us see how to use elastic load balancer. So for that, first sign into AWS Management Console, then go to EC2. In the EC2 dashboard, we are having load balancer option. So load balancers. So when we click on load balancer, it will show the list of load balancer and how to create load balancer. So when I click on create, so right now I don't have any load balancer. So when I click on load balancer, it asks for whether you want application load balancer, network load balancer, gateway load balancer, or classic load balancer. So let's say we go for application load balancer. So when we click on application load balancer, it asks for load balancer name, then internet facing or internal. So internal means within the region, within the VPC, or within the organization. And if we take for internet facing, then it is connected to the outside. That means the load is balanced between the VPC and internet. Then protocol. So what are the protocols you want to use? HTTP, HTTPS. As we know, application load balancer is suitable for HTTP and HTTPS. So it shows two options, HTTP or HTTPS. So we can add any of the protocol. Then VPC. So right now I have default VPC. So I can create VPC and place over here, and there are different regions. So different availability zone under a region. So different availability zones under a particular region. After that, we go to security setting, then configuration of security groups, then routing, register the target, and finally create the load balancer. Similarly, we are having target group. So target groups can be chosen either EC2 or Lambda or container or any IP. So create target group. So when we click on create target group, it asks whether you want EC2 instance or IP address or Lambda function. So what is your target? Let's say EC2 instance. After that, target group name, protocol, then VPC, then health check if you want. Okay. Then in advanced health check, we can set the threshold, healthy, unhealthy, timeout, interval, success. So you can define the different health check settings. So in this way we can create the target group.